Hi, good day everyone. This is Roy Lance, 24 years old, single. The following are my work experience. First is, during my college days, I need to take a teaching experience at Maths College of Technology Elementary Department for almost 5 months. And of course, I have experience also as a call center agent, a non-voice account at iMedia Corporation located at Bahada, Davao City. And I've experienced also as a secretary at Davao Bantay Dagat Volunteers Incorporated for almost 4 years. And of course, I have my experience as a sales clerk at 7-Eleven Incorporated for almost 3 months, particularly located at Bonifacio Street, Davao City. And of course, recently, I have experience as a sales coordinator for almost 1 year and 4 months at Halifax Glass and Aluminum Supply Incorporated located at Times Beach, Matina Playa, Davao City. And of course, I am a part-time instructor also for almost 4 months at Maths College of Technology. The following are my skills. I have also computer skills, communication skills, and have engaging and friendly personality. There are some people also asking me, why should I hire you? Of course, you should hire me because I am a hard worker who wants to help your company succeed, and I have also the skills and experience needed for the job. And I am eager also to learn and grow with your team. Thank you so much and God bless us all.